When you are drawing a storyboard, keep it simple and try to give a sense of depth and try to follow the rule of thirds. So we've got these third lines on here for you, and you remember, of course, that these 4 spots where the third lines cross each other, those are your hot spots. Those are your most important things. Put the subject of the shot on one of those 4 places most of the time, and your shots will look good on camera, will look well composed. Other than that, try to create a sense of depth. If a character is going to be walking down a sidewalk, maybe make the sidewalk recede like that. This is the sidewalk, here's the cracks in the sidewalk, getting smaller as they go to the distance. It's pretty easy to draw that, and notice I put the sidewalk where it was going to cross right through this rule of thirds line because the character is going to walk, and there's a stick figure, no problem. He's going to walk this direction down the sidewalk, and I drew an arrow there to indicate that. So when you are drawing storyboards, just think about what is essential in the scene that you need to give. Is there a house in the background and someone standing in front of it? Well, maybe just draw that. Notice I did draw the top of the house at this third line right here. If I'm going to draw a person, I'm going to put them on that third line right there. Or if I need to frame someone in front of a window of a house and I want to put their head right there coming through that window, notice I put that where those 2 third lines cross each other. As long as you're paying attention to the third lines, putting your subject on these important points where they cross each other, and just generally creating a sense of depth, your drawings are fine. Remember, if you're not good at drawing, just label it with a little label like that. That is a house.